Hello there. Welcome to socialmediamarketing's YouTube channel. Today, I'll talk about Cleverly, one of the top LinkedIn lead generation technologies. We will examine how we might boost output and return on investment with this space management software. Learn about the Cleverly platform first. To simplify the process of creating LinkedIn leads through automation, Cleverly was developed in 2016. Cleverly is a tool that allows you to increase leads, sales, and profits. Its sole goal is to convert more visitors into leads. Cleverly is a fully functional platform for CAFM and space management. The software effectively manages scheduled tasks, asset management, compliance, and planned and reactive maintenance. Cleverly promises to increase productivity and ROI by providing a platform for sending targeted emails to a broader audience. Let's find out how it manages to do all of this. Cleverly uses data from millions of outbound B2B campaigns to send proven, tailored messages to your clients on LinkedIn, resulting in profitable solutions that come directly into your inbox. Experts from Cleverly assist you in uncovering hidden sales opportunities so that you can close more deals. Its sophisticated dashboard serves as an integrated CRM, by tracking prospects throughout the sales cycle. Filter your messages by campaigns, tags, responses, sentiment, snoozed, or unread to maintain order in your sales pipeline and guarantee that you never miss an answer. Wow! Amazingly fantastic. Check some specifications. The LinkedIn Auto Lead Generation Tool, LinkedIn Lead Generation Technology, is extremely user-friendly and has numerous useful functions. The software's deployment is on the collection of information from several different websites. English is the major language used by the software. And among the primary services, it provides LinkedIn Lead Generation, LinkedIn Content Service, Cold Email Lead Generation, LinkedIn Paid Advertising, LinkedIn Candidate Recruiting, White Label Lead Generation, SEO Content and Blogging, Google Ads Management, LinkedIn Lead Gen Course. With an intuitive user interface, Cleverly offers all the essential features of a B2B marketing solution. Check out key features. Prospect Builder. It helps create a list of potential clients by using data from LinkedIn. Sending personalized messages. Clients feel heard and understood by its data-driven, tailored messages. Automation processes. The account manager at Cleverly is constantly available to assist in improved decision-making, better communication, and monitoring the timeliness of the campaign. Guys, let me now describe how it generates leads for clients. Through prospect list creation, A/B tested copywriting, individualized outreach, and data-driven strategy, Cleverly boosts productivity and ROI while producing qualified leads. It uses high-performing data from successful LinkedIn ads across all industries to identify and interact with your most qualified decision-makers before bringing them right into your sales funnel in 4 easy steps. They are: find prospects. They use LinkedIn to create focused and qualified lists of your potential prospects. Write messages. Writes effective cold outreach communications that are straightforward and personal. Execute outreach. Every month, send personalized messages to tens of thousands of your prospective prospects. Close deals. When leads reply, you'll get a message right away so you can close the sale. Let me now list the primary benefits for businesses using the Cleverly lead generation system for LinkedIn. Companies can utilize LinkedIn to compile targeted lists of their potential clients. Send hundreds of customized communications to potential consumers each month using an effective space management platform. More visibility on LinkedIn. Time saving. Use customized templates to manage sales dialogues with simplicity and respond more swiftly. A/B tested copywriting. Adaptive messaging inbox. The message system's auto responses make it simple for the client and the user. A lot of advertising procedures are automated. Strategies based on data to entice potential customers. Let's now discuss its cost and available trials. You must buy the program to test it out because Cleverly has different pricing options for each of its 5 services and does not offer free trials. Here is the pricing structure for LinkedIn lead generation services. You may also check pricing for other services by checking the pricing menu shown here. However, you may arrange a 15-minute free consultation to find out how they help businesses use LinkedIn's ability to generate exclusive leads, complete more transactions, and hire top people more quickly. Friends, the clever features of Cleverly have amazed me. To get a response on LinkedIn, you need to have skills. Messages that seem manufactured and have no bearing on the customer are more likely to be ignored because technologies like Cleverly are constantly messaging clients to gather comebacks for leads. The best feature of Cleverly is that it only sends messages that are appropriate after studying the client's preferences. Cleverly's data-driven marketing is tailored and more likely to result in a response from your campaigns. Cleverly is a very effective lead generation platform that helps a variety of businesses grow and reach a wider audience. It is not compatible with iOS or any other operating system because it was made just for Windows. All things considered, it appears to be a smart solution with fantastic features to enhance your lead generation efforts. Hit likes and subscribe to our channel to check reviews of other software. Bye bye guys, see you soon in the next video.